So in this video we will see the introduction to main menu. So starting from, we have already covered this graphical interface of AutoCAD. Now we will see one by one the main menu toolbars. So first one was the file. When you click the file, there comes a new. You can create a new file. You can when you will click new or control plus N, you can create a new file. When you will click new sheet, you can create a new sheet, like control plus O is the short key. Now next one is the open, control plus O. Control When you will click open, you can open an existing sheet, open sheet set, load markup set, close. You can When you will click close, you can close this window. You can import the AutoCAD file. You can attach. Then next one is the save, control plus S. You can save it by clicking control S or clicking this option. You can save it as control shift plus S. You can export. You can convert it to DWG file. Next one is the e-transmit, send, page setup manager, plotter manager, plot style manager, plot preview, plot, publish, control plus P. You can plot. We will plot this, use this command in our next videos. Publish, view plot and publish details, drawing utilities, audit, recover, drawing, block, icons, purge, and then there is an exit. So this is the file option of main menu toolbar. Next one is the edit. When you will click edit while doing in AutoCAD work, you can undo group of commands like clicking Ctrl Z. You can redo Ctrl plus Y. You can cut Ctrl X, Ctrl C, copy with base point, Ctrl Shift plus C, copy link, paste as a block. You can delete by clicking Ctrl A. You can select all. Find, by clicking this find, you can find any text or any other thing in AutoCAD. And next portion of this introduction to main menu bar is view. When you will click view, you can redraw, region all, zoom. Zoom option gives to in, out, all, extend, center, dynamic, window, pan, aerial point. You can use left, right, down and up to use this pan option. Then steering motion, slow motion, orbit, concentrate, free, continuous orbit, walk and fly. You can clear screen with control O. Viewpoints, name, viewports, one viewport, two, three and four. 3D views, you can use 3D views to check these drawings: top, bottom, left, right, front, back, plan view, current UCS, world UCS, named UCS, create camera option, show annotation objects. You can hide visual styles like 2D frame, wireframe, hidden, conceptual, etc. Render, light, material, editor, mapping, motion paths, animations, display, UCS icon, view, cube, attribute, display, camera, light, and there is toolbars. And next one is the insert. You can create block. We will see how to create a block in an AutoCAD. Next one is the layout, new layout, 3D studio, ACIS file, drawing exchange binary, Windows meta file, point cloud, valley object, hyperlink. Then is format, layer, layer manager, layer tools, color, line type, line weight, transparency, scale list, text style, dimension style, table style, multi-reader style, units. You can change units by clicking here or using command. We will see how to change units, drawing limits, rename. Then there is an option of toolbar. We have seen this in our workspace settings video. Palettes, ribbon, properties, tool palettes, lights, sheet manager, clear screen. Again coming here, spellings, quick select, draw order, isolate, inquiry, distance, radius, volume, update fields, block editor, data extraction, data links, action recorder, load application, run script, macro, auto display image, new UCS, named UCS, geographic location, CAD standards, wizards, drafting settings, group, ungroup, tablet, customize, etc. Draw. Now we'll see draw options of main menu bar, modeling, line, ray, construction line, multi-line, polyline, 3D line. These all over shown here with shortcut: arc, circle, donut, spline, ellipse, block, point, table, hatch, gradient, boundary, region, wipeout, revision cloud, text command, single line text, multi-line text. Then there is dimension, quick dimension, linear, align, arc length, ordinate, radius, jog, diameter, angular, baseline, continue, dimension space, dimension break, multi-leader, tolerance, center mark, inspection, jog, linear, oblique, align text, dimension style, override, update, reassociate dimensions. Then there is properties, match properties, how to match the existing properties with a new drawing. Object, clip, annotate, object style, erase, copy, mirror command, offset, array, delete duplicate objects, move, rotate, scale, stretch. We will see chamfer, very important command, blend, 3D operation, solid editing, surface editing, mesh editing, point cloud editing, change space, explode command. Then next one is parametric, geometric constraint, auto constraint, constraint bars, dynamic dimension, delete constraints. Then there is window, close, lock, location, cascade, tile vertically drawing. Then there is a help option, download offline help, express, which blocks, text, layout tools, dimensions, selection tools, modify, draw, file tools, web tools, about express tools. Then there is this is the main menu introduction, and same over here. These are shortcut commands which we have separated. So this was the introduction of main menu. So we will see our next video one by one, the commands and the usage of these commands to draw, drawing, construction drawings in AutoCAD. That's all from this video.